dribbling out for a little while. While that's doing that, we can maybe go do something else. Like maybe take a look at the fuel tank. Oh. Let me see. Can I turn the light on? Oh, I most certainly can. That actually looks better than my other fuel tank. Heck yeah. I'm going to show you for a good representation of what I'm dealing with on the Super A. So they have a bunch of flakes. Nothing right there right now, but I'm gonna pull that thing, and I'm gonna pull that sediment bowl right there and try and work on it some. Alright, so that is not bad at all. I am very happy with that. So if nothing else, I'll at least bring that thing to the house and give it a good clean out. Probably just dump some, probably pull the sediment bowl off of it too. See about getting a new one. Just to go ahead and be ahead of the game on that. This, heck yeah, might actually have us a good thing going on here. Thank goodness. Have to see how to run that fuel line too. But all right. All right. It's still dribbling a little bit. There's some sludge down there. That's about right. Well, I would expect as much. It is kind of old. So, I'll put this thing back on. It's a 3-quart system, I believe. Dang, mosquitoes. Terrible. Then I'm going to put some fresh oil and to do that I've got to go to the other side, so alright. I got to remember that she's tilted. straight 30 conventional motor oil. Mainly because that's what they say to run. I'm gonna put 2 quarts and we'll check it. Hydraulic system's only I think a quart. Something like that. It ain't much. Put 2 quarts and then we'll check it and put another quart probably. Come on, you bastard. Yeah. I ain't been gone from here that long and they done plugged my fuel line. Well, it's saying it's right at the full mark. Alright. Alright, let's see. Negative on the negative. Positive on positive. on. Darn. So we'll have to charge the battery up and then try that again. Oh, that got more. Yep. It'll be alright. We'll bring the battery back to the house and charge it. But, yeah. Got the oil changed. So, that's one less thing to fight with. Oh, I remember what I wanted to do. Be back in a second. Okay, so I was wanting to work on the governor because it's locked up, but I forgot the penetrating all of the house. So yeah, I could use another quart. Yep. So, thanks for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day. And take care. Hopefully y'all feel better than I do right now.